Today you will take Unit 8 Math Test. Please make sure that you show your work and do your very best. Mr. and Mrs. Martinez want to go to the movies. Mrs. Martinez gets home from work at 5:15 p.m. and Mr. Martinez gets home at 6 p.m. Mr. Martinez has to walk their dog for 30 minutes before they leave. They live 20 minutes away from the theater. The table below shows the movie start and end times. Which is the earliest show Mr. and Mrs. Martinez could attend and still keep their after-work schedule? A. Showing number 1. B. Showing number 2. C. Showing number 3. D. Showing number 4. Mr. Johnson took his class outside to measure the playground. The playground is shaped like a rectangle as shown below. 8 feet, 6 feet. Which formula could the class use to find the area of the playground? F. A equals L times W. G. A equals 4S. H. A equals 2L plus 2W. J. A equals L plus W. Number 3. Robert has a terrarium in which he keeps his pet turtle. He wants to put ribbon around the top outer edge of the terrarium for decoration. The dimensions of the terrarium are shown below. How much ribbon will Robert need to go around the top outer edge of the terrarium? A. 108 inches. B. 60 inches. C. 48 inches. D. 36 inches. Number 4. Which of the following is a reasonable length for 3 new pencils laid end to end? F. 3 inches. G. 18 inches. H. 13 feet. J. 8 feet. Number 5. Jack's garden measures 12 feet wide and 7 feet long. What is the perimeter of the garden? A. 19 feet. B. 31 feet. C. 38 feet. D. 84 feet. Number 6. The diagram below shows pairs of intersecting lines. Which statement about the figure is true? F. Line CD is parallel to line AB and line EF. G. Line GH is perpendicular to line AB and line EF. H. Line AB is parallel to line CD and perpendicular to line GH. J. Line EF is parallel to line CD and perpendicular to line GH. Number 7. Which is the most appropriate unit to use to measure the distance between two cities? A. Miles. B. Yards. C. Feet. D. Inches. Number 8. Which is the most appropriate unit to measure the length of a textbook? F. Millimeters. G. Centimeters. H. Meters. J. Kilometers. Number 9. A hippopotamus ate 2,000 pounds of food in 1 month. How many tons of food did the hippopotamus eat that month? A. 8 tons. B. 4 tons. C. 2 tons. Or D. 1 ton. Number 10. A piece of fencing is 6 feet long. What is the length of the fencing in inches? Be sure to use correct place value. There are 3 more days of school before summer vacation. Which is the same length of time as 3 days? F. 180 hours. G. 72 hours. H. 48 hours. J. 30 hours. Number 12. Ben put 5 sticks in the pattern below. Which stick is parallel to stick U? A. Stick S. B. Stick T. C. Stick X. D. Stick W. Number 13. Which statement is true about the classrooms in the drawings below? Classroom A is 16 feet by 12 feet. Classroom B is 20 feet by 10 feet. F. Classroom A has a greater area than Classroom B. G. Classroom B has a greater perimeter than Classroom A. H. They both have the same area. J. They both have the same perimeter. Number 14. Samuel and his dad are having a garage sale. A neighbor bought 2 tennis rackets for $4.85 each. She also bought a chair for $18.50 and a vase for $3. What is the total cost of the items the neighbor purchased? Show your work. Part B. If the neighbor paid for her items using 7 $5 bills, how much change should Samuel give the neighbor? Show your work. Number 15. Jackson is painting the ceiling of his bedroom. The ceiling is 18 feet long and 16 feet wide. What is the area of the ceiling? A. 52 square feet. B. 68 square feet. C. 248 square feet. D. 288 square feet. Number 16. Toby's dog is 5 years old. How many months are in 5 years?